Hey guys, I'm back. We about to go see the real chickens. And they somewhere. I think they said.
They got chicken. Oh wow.
Let me see.
Look.
Oh look. They got babies in there.
Watch for nails.
Okay. Watch the nails, people.
I'll put a roof on there for them guys.
So which one is the rooster? Oh my goodness. There's
You
the
see which one's the
rooster.
rooster, don't you?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And all of these are his chickens.
They right
Oh, yeah.
there.
You
Look
got
at that
12,
one.
13 of them to take care of.
That's a lot of moolah.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these chickens.
Oh, I gotta get a better look.
Wow. Did you see the rooster? There's a white chicken. Oh, that rooster is tall.
Where's that rooster? Right there?
The big one.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the rooster. He's big.
They have babies in there.
Yeah, I think they are babies. You take them now? Oh, look at the black chicken.
It's dark right here.
That's Shadow.
That's her name is Shadow.
Shadow.
You got that. Another one with the gold all around.
Listen, hey Shadow. Hey Shadow.
He's over
The
there.
black chicken.
He's
Go,
got
Buck.
gold feathers on his neck.
Oh, look at that white one. Bok, bok. Look at that big one right there.
Yeah, I just
Dang,
took
dude,
pictures
look
of
at that one.
We just got
Look at
him
that
here
big
about a
one.
week and a half ago.
That rooster's big.
Had
No.
to live in clear space.
Christina,
Here it is.
you see that rooster?
But they'll fly out if you don't. Well,
Go, bok.
if you don't,
Bok.
put cover on them. You know, and actually,
When they gonna
in the-
Bok.
most people clip the wings on them. Yeah. But, he's just out here sunning. He wants some on his belly, I guess.
I can smell them.
I heard it's hard to catch.
Yeah,
They be running for their lives.
Yeah.
they don't know.
Little chicken feather right there. Oh, there go a chicken feather.
See the last day.
Oh, there's two of them. How can you tell who's a girl or a boy?
Well,
Dang, that's
see
a
the
big one.
The biggest one there?
Yeah.
That's what they call the cock.
That's a big chicken.
That's that's the hen.
That's a rooster.
Or not the hen, the master chicken. He has to keep all these other chickens happy.
Bok, bok, bok.
Yeah, that's how they have eggs.
Look at their nails. That one's big right there.
That one
It's
was
huge.
like a
That's
baby.
chicken.
Look at that
Oh,
white
yeah.
chicken. That Chinese chicken.
Okay, guys.
So all black chickens named Shadow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Want to look at the waterfall?
Yeah.
No for steak.
Jump in, Christian. Come on, Steve.
You know this on your blog? Yeah. I just lost it.
Don't get too close, little boy.
There's no fog in it. Now we are looking at
You're not supposed to be up there. Get down from there.
fog.
Okay, come on.
Look at those butterflies. Oh yeah, green butterflies. Alright guys, we leaving. I might do another log. When we go back home. I mean back to our grandma's house. And tonight at my grandma's house I'm doing the log. Probably watch movies or stuff.
I'm keeping this on the silver.
Probably go somewhere. But we don't know yet. See ya. Peace.
House.